Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome to my channel Life of Pri. After almost 9 hours of driving, including break time and charging our car, we reached the USA and Canadian border and stood in line to take the Peace Bridge to go to Ontario, Canada. Once done with the formalities, we drove to Niagara Falls to our hotel Marriott on the falls. Here's the tour of the room where we spent the next 3 days and 3 nights. The view from our room was amazing. We could see the Horseshoe Falls as well as the American Falls right from our room. And waking up to this view was a cherry on the cake for us in this particular trip for sure. We had complimentary breakfast at Milestone Grill Bar every morning. They had a huge spread of food, including a live omelette station. And we ate our breakfast while looking at the falls, like every morning. So on this day, we drove to Toronto, which took us around 90 minutes. We had tickets for riding the tall ship Kajama boat, which sails from Harbourfront, Toronto on Lake Ontario. We planned this trip to Canada with our friends come neighbors as both our families were celebrating something special. So here's our gang.
Jessie.
Hi! Hi girls! Hi! Hi Abhiman! Hi Mrinal!
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you in my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous.
After we were done sailing on Kajama, we took a taxi and came to this Thai restaurant called Pai. We made a big blunder of not making a reservation, therefore had to wait for 1 hour. We were super hungry, starving. We did get some drinks from the bar while we were waiting, but this particular wait was way too long. So please make a reservation if you plan to eat here, especially on a weekend. But I have to say, this food was delicious. It was one of the tastiest Thai food I've had in a while. And we were so hungry that I forgot to record only when the food arrived. But you can see from our table and plates that we really enjoyed our food here. Toronto is a fun and busy city, and there is a lot you can do here. After parking our car before the boat ride, we actually took taxis and moved around. Post-lunch, we headed to CN Tower to go to the observation deck, but there were no tickets for the next 3 hours. So I'd definitely suggest buying tickets online ahead of time, especially on a weekend. And for us, this was a long weekend, so it was super crowded with no current tickets available. That night, Mrinal and I had plans of meeting our friends from Delaware. So we split from our gang for the night and headed to our friend's home in Toronto and celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi with them. The night was great with lots of adda and yummy food, and the view from their apartment was to die for. So this was part 1 of our 2-part Canadian vlog series. Do subscribe to my channel and shower your love to all my videos. I'll see you soon with part 2. Until then, bye.